Cointreau brand mixologist, and today we're going to learn how to make an eggnog. So I've already put 5 eggs into my mixing bowl. We're going to add 1 more egg. We're going to start with 6 eggs for our batch of eggnog. And we're really honestly just going to start by whisking those until you get a nice golden yellow consistency. We're going to add in about a ½ cup of sugar as well. And again, just keep whisking until you get a nice kind of frothy, yellow, beautiful eggnoggy looking texture. There we go, we're nice and whisked. So now we're going to add a little bit of alcohol. So we're going to start with 6 ounces of Cointreau. So 6 ounces Cointreau orange liqueur. I know that orange and vanilla seem to pair very well together, so we are going with one of my favorite bourbon whiskeys. The time it spends in oak gives it a very nice vanilla flavor. We're going to add that to the mix. So we have our alcohol. Now we also have to add some milk and cream. A pint, which is about 16 ounces of cream. According to my measuring cup here, that's also 2 cups. Now, I don't like to make this too heavy. Some people make their eggnogs just with cream and eggs and a little spirit. I like to cut that with some regular milk as well. We're going to add a quart of milk, so that's 32 ounces. So that's going to be 4 cups. Looking good. Again, we're going to have to stir this mixture up, make sure everything integrates well. So we're going to put this in a pitcher and let it chill in the fridge for a couple hours ahead of the party, ahead of our expected guests. And carefully pour our mixture into it. Before we stick it in the fridge, I like to garnish with some fresh nutmeg. So take a whole nutmeg. You need one of these tools called a microplaner, which you can grate the nutmeg across and honestly just kind of go to town over the top of your drink here. Getting lots of little tiny pieces of fresh nutmeg on top of the eggnog. Now I'll do the same thing when you actually go to serve this to your guests. But that way the nutmeg starts integrating as you're chilling this down. So from here, I would take it and stick it in the fridge. But let's pretend we did that. So we'll go ahead and grab a cup. Having our chilled nutmeg, we're going to serve a cupful. And again, a little fresh nutmeg on top. And here you have it. I can already hear the sleigh bells. Cheers. This is Cointreau eggnog.